I went too far, I made a mistake, and I was wrong.
In an apology video posted on Twitter, Kathy Griffin is begging for forgiveness after images of her holding the severed head of President Trump surfaced on social media on Tuesday.
The image is too disturbing. I understand how it offends people. It wasn't funny. I get it.
Her apology followed a bipartisan backlash. Donald Trump Jr. tweeted, "Disgusting but not surprising. This is the left today. They consider this acceptable. Imagine a conservative did this to Obama as POTUS." Chelsea Clinton tweeted, "This is vile and wrong. It is never funny to joke about killing a president." The Secret Service says it's investigating, tweeting it monitors social media, and threats made against its protectees receive the highest priority. Hannah Daniels, CBS News.